Talia. Welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a once in a blue moon hair tutorial. If you've ever noticed, I rarely do hair tutorial videos on my channel, maybe once a year I'd say. That's because I don't really have the technique or patience when it comes to doing hairstyles. My hair is either straight or wavy and it's either up in a ponytail or down. Today I'm here to help out those who don't have a clue on how to do hair and share a couple of my personal favorite hairstyles that are stylish yet simple. So let's go ahead and get started. So this first hairstyle is one of my favorites. I call it the Garden Fairy headband, and I wore this hairstyle in my What's in My Michael Kors handbag a couple of weeks ago, and I got a few compliments on that video in regards to that hairstyle. So I thought I would share it with you guys because it's super simple and absolutely precious. And so for this hairstyle, you will need 2 bobby pins and 2 little hair elastic bands, preferably ones that match your hair color. So I have 2 black ones here, and that's all you need. So I will go ahead and show you how this hairstyle is done. So you're going to want to take a bottom section of your hair, about this much hair from the bottom section I would say, and then just start braiding it. So now I'm just going to take the braids and pull it out from underneath my hair, and I'm going to wrap it to this side of my head, and I'm going to take one of those bobby pins. Hairstyle that I'm going to show you, I call it the mermaid hair don't care, and it's very simple. Again, all I'm going to do is actually take down these braids from my little braided headband, and I'm going to leave these braids in my hair because I'm going to just add a few more pieces like this braid, but instead of doing it underneath my hair, I'm going to add it up top here, and it's going to just jazz up my hair a little bit. So let me show you how that's done. And for this hairstyle, all you're going to need is 2 little plastic elastic hair ties. This one is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles when I don't have a clue on what to do with my hair. I've been doing this hairstyle for years now, and it's so simple, and just adding a few braids, small pieces like this one, to your hair just gives it a nice beachy vibe and almost like a girlier version of like a Captain Jack Sparrow look. I absolutely love it. Alrighty, so for this last hairstyle, it's a little cute half up, half down hairstyle. And I'm actually going to turn myself mostly around so you guys can see, because it does entail me taking half of my hair and putting it towards the back where you guys won't be able to see. So hopefully by me turning it around a little bit, you'll be able to see it better. So you're going to need a few bobby pins and possibly a couple of hair clips just in case you need those. And also leave in those 2 bottom braids that we did earlier in these hair tutorials, but you can take down the first two if you would like, which is what I did. So that is it for today's hair tutorials. I hope you all enjoyed these 3 simple yet stylish hairstyles, and hopefully you're also able to use them on yourself as well. And I do apologize about the last hair tutorial that I did, because I know I didn't do a lot of explaining, especially once I turned towards the back, just because I know it would have been hard to hear what I was saying. But hopefully you were able to see how I was able to make this hairstyle come to be. And before I go, I do want to share a little hair accessory haul with you guys. Hair accessories are another great way to doll up your hair without doing too much to them. And a couple of weeks ago I went out shopping and I picked up some hair accessories from Five Below, and I have 3 things here from there. The 2 packs of hair clips were only $3 each, and then the little pink headband here with pearls on it was $3.25. So cute. I'm excited to put these in my hair, and I love the girly gold and pearl detailing on these hair clips, as well as this faux diamond one that I got. The bottom hair clip says glam, and that's totally gonna look glam in my hair. And then of course the headband, you can't go wrong with this. I've been seeing a lot of girls rocking these on YouTube and Instagram, and it's so cute. And then from TJ Maxx, I just picked up a 5-pack of scrunchies for $6.99, and these are those soft satin scrunchies that aren't going to damage my hair when I pull them out from my hair. And I just love the color scheme of these scrunchies. So we have some dusty rose colored ones. There's also pearls on them as well. We have a white satin one, and then there's 2 scrunchies here with designs on them. One has polka dots and the other one's just a beautiful design on it. And they have little hair ties at the end of the scrunchie. So that's going to look super stylish in my hair without having to do too much to my hair to make it look stylish. Wow, how many times am I going to say stylish in one sentence? Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the hair tutorials again and the little hair accessory haul. And if you guys want to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!